talking about certain symptoms that you might have also experienced in your lifetime, such as stiffness of your bones, weakness of your bones, or easy fracture of your bones. Why is this caused, and what is this called? This is called as osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is basically less amount of calcium in your bones. This is caused because of less calcium intake or lack of vitamin D3, which is resulting into lack of calcium absorption in your bones. Now, today we are going to see some good recipe which will increase our calcium content and also some amount of vitamin D3. Let's see what we are making. So, today we are making til chikki. These are the ingredients. Some amount of jaggery. This is oats brand. Some amount of almonds. These are til seeds and cinnamon. Now let's begin. So we'll take this pan. It's very easy and very simple recipe. Very easy to make and rich in calcium. Guess what? Okay, we'll take jaggery. Jaggery, if you are aware of, it's a good source of energy, yeah, because it is made from sugarcane. In initial days, it would be made in iron vessels. So, it was good amount of iron also was found in this. But nowadays, it is not made in iron vessels. So, it is not a good source of iron. But then too, it's a really good substitute for sugar. Instead of sugar, we can definitely have this. See now, we need to melt this. It is very important that we should not overcook it, because otherwise the chikki will turn very tough. Osteoporosis is seen in people who are having less amount of calcium intake. Also, it is seen in menopausal women because there is less amount of estrogen in their body, which affects their calcium absorption. Nowadays, it is also seen in the young people. Younger generation, definitely they opt for outside food, and that's not right because it is having less amount of calcium. See now, our jaggery is almost done. Perfect, exact, smelling really good. Now, we'll add some amount of til seeds. You know, dear friends, til is having more amount of calcium, more than even milk. That's right, more than milk. We'll add good amount of til seeds to it because we need calcium. We'll mix it well. We'll not overcook it. We'll switch off the flame so that the jaggery don't get overcooked. Otherwise, it will turn very hard. This is almonds. We are adding some good amount of, generous amount of almonds, which will give us nice omega-3 fatty acids. We'll add some amount of cinnamon powder, which will give a very nice spicy sweet taste to it, and it also improves your metabolism. Just mix it well. It's really looking very yummy and tasty. We'll just add some amount of oats to it. We are adding oats to it because we are adding jaggery. Jaggery will get easily absorbed in the body and can affect our blood sugar levels and lead to change in the blood sugar levels. Oats will stabilize our metabolism. So, this is a good recipe for diabetic people also. They can also have this and very safe to have without affecting their blood glucose levels. Okay, now we'll just switch on the flame for a while and we'll just make it to set. Dear friends, we can prevent osteoporosis. It is by adequate amount of calcium intake and vitamin D3. Nowadays, it is seen that there is more amount of vitamin D3 deficiency. Now, before we talk about that, let's plate it. We need a pan which is greased with some amount of butter, and we'll add all this thing into it and we'll spread it out evenly. Because we are making chikki, it should be properly spread evenly. Either you can make a thick layer or a thin layer, depends on your choice. See, it looks yummy and tasty, nutritious, more amount of calcium to it, and it's ready to eat in some time. Till the time this gets set, I want to share a really good secret with you all. That is vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is important for our calcium absorption, as I've told you. It is very important that we include in our meals. So, the good sources of vitamin D3 are eggs, tuna, salmon, cod liver oil, and yeah, the best source is morning sun. So definitely, dear friends, morning walk is very important so that you get exposed to morning sun, which will help vitamin D3 synthesis in your body. I think so our chikki is ready. Let's see. Yeah. See, dear friends, it is almost ready. It is properly settled, and now we can cut it and have it. Very tasty and yummy, right? Yeah. So we'll just cut it into pieces. It has good amount of calcium for all the people suffering from osteoporosis, also for the young generation who are not even suffering from that. It will give you good amount of calcium, which is very much important for your body, dear friends. And it's very easily available in the market, and it's a 5 minutes job to make this chikki, believe me. Okay, now we are ready. We'll just plate it right. Here is our plate. You can have generous amount of this til chikki, or you can have at least 2 pieces in a day. That is very important. It is very important that you grease your tray properly so that you can remove your til chikki very easily. That's our til chikki, which is ready to eat, and it has got really good amount of calcium for all the people suffering from osteoporosis or having less amount of calcium in their body. So this is a power packed calcium til chikki which is on your way. This is also safe for diabetes because it contains oats.
तिल चिक्की बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए तिल सीड्स, थोड़े बादाम, सिनेमन पाउडर, गुड़ और ओट्स ब्रांड। तिल चिक्की बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले एक पैन में गुड़ लेकर उसे पकाएं, फिर उसमें तिल सीड्स ऐड करें। इस मिक्सचर को कुछ देर पकाने के बाद आंच बंद कर दें। अब इस मिक्सचर में बादाम, सिनेमन पाउडर और ओट्स ऐड करें और फिर से थोड़ी देर पका लें। एक दूसरा पैन लें, फिर उसमें पकाए हुए तिल चिक्की को प्लेट करें। कुछ देर रखकर उसके पीसेस कट करें। हेल्दी एंड टेस्टी तिल चिक्की सर्व करने के लिए तैयार है।
For more recipes, subscribe to our channel, My Food Thought.